Museveni is infiltrated. Museveni is infiltrated. Museveni is infiltrated. I'm telling you. Bakutekwa komanje. Dija kemu. Bakwe oyo omuko. Yeragira gundi agende. Mutabazi. Nanditaho. Mukajjako program za. Ne bagenda mugundi mu YouTube. Bo bajjako program za. No, ajja. Ninyo benyondo mwaso mutwe. Ninyo mutu oyo mwaso. Edogo limukozeko. Edogo limukozeko. That man has been humbled by Edogo. Edogo linali yina mutwe. Mubire muteka kuta. Atagenda kukola. Let him kill me and she. Okuddamu okupulaninga to kill me. Bajja mukubebe omwenda. Anaddamu okumpulaningira ajja kutambulira mu kagati kabali. Agamanyi nga hino. Ekika nakanoka nalinja kukabe kintu omutwe. Nikasirimba. Nje sirimba yenjamono nyapaka. Kakuba amase mironde mubbi mironde mubbi oyina omutwe bakukola mataka abizi ndi kwata ku sirimba nina ali I don't want somebody to malign beka kuba bakajama bakateka mCBS nakolo na bakaita ne mugu wendi ko kwatira ko simanyi dokita T kakasi matuka mirundi ena niyo wendi kanywereza nyina wakali kwa bali kazika ngini andika kava chaza abe chaza kandi kukwata kalenzi gwe nenkufuniza bulungi bwoti oli oyogera we made our name suggested when you kwata kalenzi simanyi Dr. D nenkayola when aka omusenta alitegera
mbaniriza nnyo yenze Kanka Kapita yenze producer wa TM Online Television era nze gwowulire no kutuusako program eyitibwa Political Dose. Mutera okubeera mu office zammwe eyo ng'olina kikompyuta tekitambula, oluusi kibuguma, oluusi software yaggwako, nandi ki kompyuta yinza okuba ng'ekola bulungi naye ng'olina kiprinter kyekikulemesezza emirimu. Buli lw'okola omulimu oguwenze mu printer eri olupapula, bwino avaayo agisiize oba bwino yaggwamu dda naye nga tokimanyi. Nkwanjulira Cyber House Technologies Limited, eno nga company yekuwa the best IT solutions. Yogerako n'aba Cyber House Technologies ng'oyitira ku namba z'essimu z'ojja okulaba kalango kano, oba oluusi osobola okunyiga mu simu yaawo oba ku kompyuta yo www.cyberhousetechnologies.ug. Osobola okubanga era oyagala kwongera ku security ya kitundu mwokolera oba gyosula. Bano be bakafulu mu kusupplyinga, okumaintaininga n'okuservicinga CCTV cameras. Ate nga ne bw'oba oziguze bakuyamba ne bazikuteerayo bakiyita installation. So for all office solutions yogerako n'aba Cyber House Technologies. Ate mu printer bagenda wala buli kika kya printer ne copiers okugikuguza, okugiservicinga, okugimaintaininga yogerako ne Cyber House Technologies. Njogero bajjukizaako bwemba nkola Political Dose ntambula ne Haji Biyinzika ono musajja musomi wa dduwa anyamba nnyo kubanga mbatuusaako program zino. Yogerako ne Haji Biyinzika oyo gw'olaba ku screen ng'oyitira ku namba y'essimu eyo gy'olaba era ku screen mwogere ne Haji Biyinzika ku nsonga z'okusoma edduwa. Bannayuganda abaagala okukola emirimu gy'ebweru nabagamba funa omulimu ogwegasa oguliko akasente naye tosobola kugufuna nga toyinaamu skills kuyamba kufuna mulimo ogwegasa gwe bakusasula akasente akalungi. So kolagana ne Tiger Sharif ye ssenkaggale wa academy eyitibwa Roast Coffee Academy. Roast Coffee Academy eno eri mu Abu Dhabi ku luguudo olugenda ku airport bagiyita Airport Road okuliraana Al Wahida Mall. So Roast Coffee Academy bakutendeka mu barista skills, bakutendeka mu latte art skills, coffee profiling skills ne skills nyingi nnyo zonna nga zikwatagana ku coffee. Ate gwe munafu ali e Uganda atasobola genda Abu Dhabi wano waliwo contact ye Uganda kopako enamba y'essimu ogibabuuze tusobola okutwala eri mu Abu Dhabi n'omala okuyiga. Ate ng'ekyenjawulo nti bw'obanga osomye ne Roast Coffee Academy basobola okubanga bakufunira omulimo. Roast Coffee Academy mugyeyunire musobole okufuna emirimu egiriko akasente. Nkujjukizaako nti nyina property yange gye ntunda. Property eno nnyumba ewedde emirimu ng'eri ku kyapa kya 5 ku 10 eri mu Lower Nabuti mu Mukono Town Council. Property eyo gy'olaba ku screen gitunda $2.25. Buli kimu kye weetaaga ku nnyumba otandikidde ku kyapa n'ebisigadde byonna ku ebiri. So nkujjukizaako munguleko property yange. Tubaaniriza nnyo mwebale kutuwagira. Mutabani wa Mole n'amatovu mirundi. Akadde ennaku zino okamala nnyeeka.
Wano bayitawo kyengera.
Akadde okamala nnyo ennaku zino ewuwo.
Waliyo ente zange. Wano balunda nkoko, wano tulundawo nkoko. Mukyengera nja kutwalako n'ekabalagala omusajja Omuganda Abaganda bakuga nti ow'abakazi ababiri ye Ssaabaddu w'Abawuulu
era abeera Ssaabaddu
omusajja Omuganda abeera n'abakazi aba
obusobozi tebukyaliwo muzeeyi obwo
edda Omuganda bwe yafanga nga balangira n'abaana n'abazzukulu alesi kati nze n'abaana nkaaga 6 children yes kakati gwe teekawo namwandu and that woman produced 6 children alese namwandu omu n'alimba bafaaza you were stupid abange bonna bali aba bana hakki ziri esi abaana nkaaga batukuludoza bagenda mu 10 ninamu abanfaananira ddala
luli wagenda okulambula ku bazzukulu b'omwana wo oli nabalaba abaana balungi abaana baali balungi
kati nabaga nti whenever we have a problem I come up and clear the problem. I tell you, I guide society. That's why immediately you enter my Chengera gate, as you have entered, you will see military police personnel.
Of course.
When you go to Zana, you see policemen about to tell. Why is the state protecting me? When you go to Kabalagala, the same, tight security. I'm one of the people who don't work in the government, but who have remained with the government facilities. I'm an asset to this country. That's why when the people conspired to kill me, there was a disagreement. And those who were hired to kill me alerted one of my friends who is a general. I'm an asset. Tumukunde disagreed with them. The general got information and rang me. I have immediately, I alerted the army commander and my friend, long-term friend, General Sabiti. They deployed immediately. I'm an asset to this country. Many people don't understand why Bobi Wine had to pull out.
Bobi Wine has pulled out.
There are 3 issues. They create troubles from 7. You look at the Rwandese border. Do you think business is not going on?
Of course it is going on. We a little bit sorted a few things.
It was as if closing the Rwandese border was important. I say the country that can worry me if we close the border is Kenya. Our balance of trade, the amount of money generated from what we sell to Kenya is 700 million. We are now, Netherlands, we are the second now largest partner to Kenya. Netherlands, umenye Netherlands chegule Kenya. Ubundi gani amayirungi. Netherlands kati yetusinga okusobola ne Kenya. Feba wakubiri ku Kenya. Tubafunamu sente emiliyoni za dola 7. Sente zino ne gundi buli mwaka. Obama they are raising nga agenda kufuka president wa America miliyoni 7 unprecedented. Kakati Rwanda ekubonyabonye etya. I want to tell somebody to give me something made in Rwanda mu nyumba ye kirirudaho
kizibu
njagala ondage ekintu made in Rwanda mu nyumba ye
tulina bye China pozi ne Kenya twalinayo plastic twalinayo empeke.
It's only because the Rwandese planted their imperialism in our country.
No, they said themselves.
Rwanda is not one of the donors that can penalize. But the
Rwandese were saying Uganda is inflicting its influence on them, not them on us.
That one is another day. Bobi Wine did not start a political party. Bobi Wine was identified. Even I don't support Bobi Wine. Why? Bobi Wine is a product of the Ugandan bench that nullified elections of the other man under the influence of the mafias. I think that's why Bobby Wine does not trust the Ugandan bench. Why? He's a beneficiary of their unprofessionalism.
Hey, Bobby Wine, they nullified the other election for him to become the member of parliament.
Yes.
So now he doesn't trust them.
Directed the judge to nullify elections to pave way for Bobby Wine because they wanted Bobby Wine in the parliament. This is why. Because Bobby Wine is a beneficiary of the manipulation of the judiciary, Bobby Wine does not trust the judiciary.
Bobby Wine, olw'okuba nti nno abalamuzi baakwata mu kkooti n'asobola okuyitawo katta beesiga.
There was no need to declare a by-election in his constituency. The mafias influenced the judge to create a by-election to enable Bobby Wine to come to parliament. Otherwise, if the judiciary was independent, Bobby Wine would not have found his way to parliament. This is why Bobby Wine knows that these people are manipulatable.
They can easily accept anything.
Yes. This is a mistake the judiciary made. The second point the judiciary made, we are not seeing a reluctant person who goes to court, who rejects court rulings. Not at all. In 1980, Dr. Andrew Kayira and Dr. Samuel Paul sued the government that Professor Rule was illegally removed from power. The Chief Justice then was Mr. Justice Wako Wambozi. What is Kirunda, who was Secretary General of UPC, said this man should not be a judge, a presiding judge. Why? Because had been appointed by Rule. The court sat. When you raise an issue, a judge cannot just dismiss as Mr. Justice Winnie Dolos conducts himself. He does not conduct himself as a judge. If somebody raises a query about you, you go back and you say, yes, but you sit down and come back. That you have been, your impartiality, you have to be impartial. A judge can, there's a word, not the fish, it's something like that, where a judge offers himself and leave. But the problem is, if it sets a dangerous precedent and you leave, even this man on Mutabuli, yani, yagamba omulamuzi akuvemu n'akaana.
Gwe basibaye eruzira, gwe baluzisiza eruzira.
Why? Ekibanga bwe banaakugyamu ani anaakutrustinga kitegeeza obulamuzi obukoze eki? Naye bo obujozi bwabwe, these judges, when somebody raises an issue, I've told you that Ruhuriza Kirunda raised an issue that Wako Wambozi should not be the Chief Justice to preside over this case. Why? He had been appointed by Rule as Chief Justice. After raising that issue, how does the court conduct itself? How does the panel conduct itself? You go back and you say, the court would come back and say, yes, we have raised this issue. Bobby Wine has raised the issue that these judges, the panel is not partial. It's not impartial. It's partial. A wise bench will come and say, one, we are professionals. All of us had originality. There are cases where the same bench you criticize has benefited Bobby Wine. For instance, Bobby Wine, as I said earlier, is a product of a court judgment. 2, when they challenged Bobby Wine's leadership over Noob, at the time when people had already nominated themselves, Noob had already nominated its members, and they took Noob to court. Whether the delegates conference that elected Bobby Wine was legal. What did the court say? What the judge said? Bobby Wine is the legitimate leader of Noob.
Exactly.
Was it from that judgment? Was it made from Kenya? Yeah.
It was made from here.
Yeah, the same judges. Mwanga Chivumbi sued Chikulukunyu. And even Kavuma ruled in
favor.
Mwanga's favor. Because judges follow the law. What about, I always ask myself, do you believe that those who mark examinations in UNEP don't have children who are candidates?
Of course, they themselves have parents, and they are themselves
what about
have
those who
teachers.
The examiners of UNEP, do we get them from Kenya?
They come from our own schools.
This is where the judiciary lost the case. By not coming up, I witnessed an incident. I was reporting it for. I was doing two roles at the Uganda Human Rights Commission. Not this one. The one that included, second was the council, Chibereti, this judge was a younger lawyer. We had Kidu Makubuya, professor. We had Kakwenzile, a professor of history. I used to translate, to interpret, to translate. And this is unique. My father was a court translator. At times I find myself doing the roles which my father did. Kakati, what happened? The Human Rights Commission, its chairman was Mr. Justice Oda. Mr. Justice Oda handled a case involving Bazira. Bazira, in 1980, killed a DP candidate. Bazira was a UPC candidate, Chionga was a UPM candidate, and Mbula Muhindo was a DP candidate. I was following these issues because I was a DP youth activist. 1980, I was very active in the Democratic Party. Now, Bazira killed Mbula Muhindo on the eve of election, thinking that the lions will eat his body, Mbula Muhindo's body. Lions don't eat corpses.
They eat what they have killed.
Look at a lion. A lion detects, it first intimidates the cobras. The first learner is the one it eats. Why? It does not go to hospital. It's detecting mechanism that you are healthy is how fast you run.
I didn't know. I thought that the lions eat the weak ones that cannot run fast.
No. A lion cannot eat a cobra that is weak because it knows that it is sick. That is the
detecting mechanism it has to know.
Crocodile does not matter. Yeri buli kimu. Kakati omusajja waffe wa DP Mbula Muhindo bamutta ne bamusuula mu National Park e Kasese. Lions did not eat his body. Kati abantu bwe bategeera ku makya in the morning, people heard that the DP man in Mbula Muhindo is dead. They did not vote who? They did not vote Bazira. They instead voted Chionga. Chionga was the only MP who was voted in 1980 belonging to a UPM card. Kakati Bazira nadduka Bazira negotiated the deal of the Rwenzururu. Amin tried the Rwenzururu. The colonial government tried the Rwenzururu, but they don't know what is happening in Kasese. Why? When I look at the Kasese people, I remember the Kadis. Abakadi, Siba Siram. Abakadi Siba Walab. Abakadi Bakadi. Bawera million kumi. But the British did not create a country for them. That's why Take fight the Kadianis. You know, said the Bam Quation, Akulia Bakadi. Is a problem. The Kadiani issue is a problem to Iraq, is a problem to Iran, is a problem to Turkey. Why? How could you deny 10 million people a country
of course
be separated, to be divided among many countries? This is the Bakonjo. The Bakonjo are 10 million.
Some in Congo.
Who are in Uganda. That's why they can form their own country. Many people have gardens in Congo. Oh, these borders are artificial.
Imaginary.
Yes. Kakati, this is why the Bakonzo issue has eluded all governments. If you want to study nationalism and sub-nationalism, you must look what you can solve the Bakonzo issue. Nobody will solve the Bakonzo issue. So I'm telling you that eventually Mumbere came back. This is not the first time Mumbere to come back. Was recognized by Obote. A district was created by Obote. The district here. I mean, it fought to the Bakonzo, failed. Obote won. Fought to the Bakonzo, failed. Colonial government fought to the Bakonzo, failed. Kakati ya Museveni n'agamba nti kabajje ku ttolo. Kakati ate bw'abajja ku ttolo ate n'abamba nabo ne basaba. Because I always say, if you are demanding money from me, manager, and I give you a salary, give the house girl.
Of course.
Kati abakonzo balwana okuva ettolo. Kati ne basigala n'abamba. N'abamba nabo ne bagamba naffe mutuwe. Naffe mwatufugadde. Naffe
tuli byaffe.
As the Toro, as the Bakonzo, we are celebrating independence from Toro. You are also confronting the problem. Even the Bamba wanted their independence. This is why Museveni did not benefit from declaring the Bakonzo kingdom. Kakati nkugamba nti gundi Bazira, after the defeat of Obote, Bazira bamukwata, was arrested.
Bazira
was arrested, charged with murder. Ne bamuleta mu kkooti. Naye abasajja ba UPC bali basajja bagezi. Bazira yalina murder case, which is not bailable. Kakati ate ne bamukuteekako omusango omulala. He sold his cows to bribe policemen. Bamufuna emisango egi. To bribe policemen, which is bailable and murder. Kakati bwe kye baakola ew'omulamuzi baateekawo fayiro bbiri. Bamuvunaana omusango to bribe policemen, which is bailable. Omulamuzi n'amuwa bail. Nga tebamubuulidde ba state attorney. This man is facing 2 charges.
Bribing,
one which is bailable and another one which is not bailable.
Yali weakness ya mulamuzi. Lwaki yete yabuuza?
Omulamuzi yababuuza. Amwaye state attorney anti kyenkubuulira. How the judiciary failed in Bobi Wine's case. That Bobi Wine pointed the finger at them. Because the Chief Justice is not groomed, has not been groomed. I saw him as a younger lawyer. Has what? Prepared like a robot, like a missile.
Are you trying to tell me he has not undergone serious?
This man was
he's not an experienced judge.
A judge who has been processed as a judge would not react like a Owinye-Dolo. No. Owinye-Dolo believes is overwhelmed. We call it politics of overwhelming. This is what
chimususeko chinene nnyo ku ye.
Even if you appoint me vice president, it does not shake me. I'm educated, I'm intelligent. I don't believe in the
You don't consider that a favor?
Yes, nimanyi ndi mugezi. Nebombo bwa vice president nebompa I cannot slaughter my cow because I know manyi nchirina. Kakati special round akaziwe yakamba. Mr. President, you have appointed me vice president. I feel happier than when I got married. No, yeah, I don't change. Nagenda ka umusajja nangamba nkusasudde million 10. Why are you not, Mr. Mirun, I paid a check of 100 million. Why are you not happy? Ninjibuku. Do you believe this is the first 100 million to have landed into my pocket? Unjukirechi, jamuva remote. Kakati, when you kati nkubulira. Abasajja ba UPC bali bagezi. This judge order. Yeshe yakola. Yasinzira ku musango oguli bailable. Nti Bazira bribed policemen. Fire ne bajimuletera. Ne basulikize ne bajja. Namuwa bail. But remember, Bazira was facing a murder charge that is not bailable. The judge would have told this man, yes, this is a bailable offense, but you have a case of murder that's not bailable. Kakati yemisa justice order yamuta. Bazira bwamala okusala ikulosi into Kenya. Basulities ne bakomawo. We are returning responsibilities to the court. The man who threw the surety is nowhere to be seen. Tewali wo mobile phone, tewali watch, but the whole thing was planned. And the two state attorneys were arrested, but they are very rich people. Bafuna said, Kati, case came resurfaced during the hearing of human rights violations. Nagenda insisted.
The journalist?
Nagenda was a member of the commission. Chidu Makubuya was a member of the commission. Second was the reading council. And the judge called Gund Umusebe. Yali deputy reading council matubera fena tusanga. Kakati Nagenda said, Mr. Chairman, now that we have a case which you presided, why don't you step aside? The committee sat, put Mr. Order aside, and he came as a witness and he told the commission. Order said, yes, the Bazira case came to me. They brought a bailable offense. But the state attorney did not tell me that this man was facing murder charges. It would have been that the murder case was being heard by another judge. The order said I was not aware because at that time there were no computers, there were no
smart items, smart gadgets.
Order stepped aside to defend himself. And he said, a judge cannot alternate for a state attorney. This was a matter of a state attorney to tell me that the man you have given bail faces also a non-bailable offense.
I see.
He had to clear himself. In the case of Kaira and Paulo Samogere for the removal, Mr. Justice Wako Wambos did not behave like this your current Chief Justice. Owinyidoro. No. He stepped aside and he said, yes, Chirunda should not bring politics into this case. The case can be decided on merit. The law is clear. And as a result, it was declared that yes, the law was removed illegally, but the court had no powers to install Lule
again
back to the presidents. They wanted the two cases I have given out. Wanted to demonstrate, but what is the reaction of the courts? First of all, you should know the court has the judiciary has a spokesperson. Why do you expect Mirundi to come and defend you? Mujoga nnyo. Mulowooza nzija bakola ebintu byammwe ebyobusiru mu defending. It is a smart guy like me. If I was the spokesperson of the judiciary, I would say, these are Ugandans. The Chief Justice was once a lawyer in the process, but we follow rules.
We are principled.
Two, Bobby Wine wanted, I wrote a book, Masters of Deception. Bobby Wine, yali ayagala to blackmail the judiciary. Why? If you, for instance, I'm in Muganda. If somebody who is not in Muganda comes to me and says, Mr. Mirundi, you have denied me this money or project because I'm not in Muganda. If I'm weak-hearted, I will say, okay, take it.
Of course.
Blackmailing. That's why I tell you, Tumana Gomuala, Bwangama ndi umusomesa, harassing, I performed badly, subject here. I look at the subjects. The end of the age of the day. We have a book. There's a book titled The Foolish Americans. Let those people go and read it. In America, judges must belong to the administration. This is why Kennedy appointed his younger brother as Attorney General of the United States. When he was cautioned, he said, I'm not opportunistic. Nepotism means appointing a person who does not have qualifications.
For what you have appointed them for.
He's one of the senior attorneys in the United States. Nicaragua, the president of Nicaragua, Daniel Ortega, Yame Commander, was his brother. But the people voted them.
I want to know Mzee.
Castro, his brother, they fought together. So the issue of when it comes to a clear role, impartiality or partiality does not arise. But Bobby Wine is a unique candidate. Let me tell you. Bobby Wine was never, he did not come out of one morning and said, we have never had a candidate challenging Museveni on his own. This is the problem of Uganda. All of those who have tried to challenge Museveni are doing it out of personal vendetta. That Mugisha Muntu was Army Commander for 9 years. If Museveni did not sack him, where I can
still serve
with Mugisha Muntu, there are two issues. Mugisha Muntu came from an affluent family. His father, Muntu Yera, was a rich man. Unlike many of those who went to the bush. Two, Museveni offered him a ministerial job, like me. Mugisha Muntu rejected me. I rejected the advisory role. Omukota yinza kunjoga. I say 5 billion. Alete mukwano gwe. You see this young man, Luabo, humiliated me twice. He removed me, took 5 billion, and replaced me with his friend. Mukbie, which I never got together. I left the government. Luabo humiliated me again. He came back during the elections, said there's a committee composed of whole, Canonite, Anning. Eroko mewonjoge. Bali descend.
Ngata iga murundi gwasoka.
Naninja benyondo mwaso mutwe. Naninja kubo yumwana muti. I cannot be humiliated. So I refuse to be humiliated. Mugisha Muntu refused to be humiliated. Mbabas was a darling of Museveni. Museveni at one time mentioned that Mbabas was presidential material. So we have never heard, even Bobby Wine, Besigye, Besigye was National Political Commission. The equal was the Museveni. It was after sitting on Okatebe that Besigye woke up to fight Museveni. We have never had a person, even Semogere, came from Museveni's government.
But Mzee, even Besigye, I think, had the right to not to be ejected like that. If Museveni is still there, why is he ejecting his own people?
At one time he said, vote Museveni. Uganda tenafuna ko muntu azze kuvuganya kubuwe ngaze koli abana Uganda. Even Bobby Wine was brought by the mafias. I'm not surprised that he has gone out of the way he came. He had a mission. Bobby Wine was identified, created a constituency by the mafias. Bobby Wine was assigned with the 508 billion.
Abantu we bachiwakanira Mzee we wano. Nti azayimbe nyimba ze kuva buto neye positioning abantu ne bamwagala.
Achigane mukube. Let Bobby Wine say no. I produce tapes nga bamwogera. Mukube muteke bali. Bobby Wine came to me. Why I say they had talked to Comedian. Why doesn't Comedian? Bobby Wine was assigned, and I'm telling you, the people who brought Bobby Wine, Museveni told them to write in their handwriting, apologies.
Is opposing Museveni, does it require an apology?
Tetunafunayo omuntu azze kufuuka mukulembeze bonna baba bagobye twagala tufune omusajja atalina fitina Mao teyajja na fitina Mao yagamba sibeera mu kifo mirundi ebiri oba kyamani bwa 5 mbuvuddeko kati nze kuvuganya naye Mao naye bamafia be bamuleeta ne bamuwa 1.5 billion Mao najja wange okubanjirira ne mugaba akubye tetunafunayo omuntu azze kuvuganya Museveni nga talina fitina kakati Bobby Wine abamuleeta Museveni abataddeko pressure anti kyenkugamba nti abalamuzi tebategeera ti Bobby Wine yaleetebwa buleetebwa. Bobby Wine was looking for an escape route. Bobby Wine abadde azannya Nigeria awo ekikomye.
Escaping from what?
Anti nkubuulidde nti abamuleeta bamuleeta abanoonyeza eki
abatere wa avenue we banabbira mukama waabwe
bamuleeta abakolere political party eya NRM nga Museveni tagifuga nababuuza nti ekibiina kya NUP kyava mu kibiina ki kakati awe wali obuzibu nti Bobby Wine yamaze okutusiikulira enkukunyi whether Bobby Wine withdraw the case or not kati yakuwithdrawinze abantu abakyagize kyobula bakuga nti omusango nguwadde bantu bagenda kwekalakasa boche ebintu byaffe. This is a problem of Bobby Wine because the government does not have the capacity and the credibility to say nti oyo omusajja ffe twamuleeta era tumugjeewo ekinigeria ekyalina koma bwe kityo
kati abantu akibalekedde
batukube. You will see riots in this country. Bobby Wine is going to create riots. Yakugambye afunye we yekwasiza nakola ki nati abasajja abanafu yekwasa nzikiza enzikiza badde kutenyo nadde enchanga bulaba if you have your libido does it matter whether it's sunshine or not kakati Bobby Wine Nigeria bwe kitebe kibadde kino koma. My concern now is that can the mafias come up and say Bobby Wine is ours, was ours? Can Bobby Wine admit nti wa ours?
Nemze kyejagala okutuma.
Because let me tell you, Bobby Wine yalimeddeyo. Bobby Wine teyalijje musango mu kooti.
Anti uliriza.
Bobby Wine yali kunamiza judicial up to the end.
I see.
Kubanga Bobby Wine abadde amaze abantu babadde bamanyi. Do you know? Nti atabalamuzi babadde ku kabi ennyo nga balinda. Abalamuzi balirundira n'okululinga. Nti Bobby Wine walirabyemu abasaza oba bali 9 oba 11 waliwo abana balikozeyo proposals Bobby Wine adduse Nigeria kya Bobby Wine bwe kibadde kirina okukoma naye nze mbagamba ti Bobby Wine atukoledde ensobi nabagamba nti akalulu kano kafaanana kaki
abantu Mzee balina ebizibu ebizibu ebyo
Bobby Wine aleke kutakula bantu
abantu banyigiriziddwa
atakudde Abaganda atulaze Abaganda banyiivu era nekibagamba my fear this country is going to be polarized. Polarizing means nti eggwanga kakati Museveni ategedde abaganda tebamwagala. What will he do to them in the next 5 years? Museveni amanyi
buli abadde bamuwakanya adde bakurashinga. Abamuwakanya eri abakurashinga.
Bobi Wine. No. Nabagamba nti NRM eweddewo. Why? In Uganda, a Nupu man, tayagala Museveni. Bobi Wine oyo namboze namuli indiamu namuli muita namuli namuli indiamu yakyuka bukyusi n'alaga eri. 2 Reverend Bakalaba Mukasa yajja ku bujjasati ono we NRM gundi akuli akabondo ka Buganda bamukuba Kiwanda muyanja gundi na Joyce Sebugwa bamukubye ne bamujukiza n'ebyoboti omanyi nti Joyce Sebugwawo uyu muzeeyi wabo abazaala gundi jaja wa Nabagereka Mutesa yamwagalira ngo omukazi era obete bwe yakuba obwakabaka uyu musajja Sebugwawo he staged the one man demonstration in support of Obote. Joyce Sebugwawo nga namukubye namubuuza Joyce Sebugwawo tonderega yangako ngenako zomeza 25 January 2007 Obote nga bamuhambi wali luddawo asobola okwogerayo. It was a UPC government, it was a UPC family. Nebo bajja ne bajijampingako kakati nkubulya ne gamba ti Bobi Wine bana atusiko
go to gamba then political power is advantage taking advantage
amazo kusikula fitina dusi ati zeti zo mukazi ataka solo kafu
mpulira
ati talina dagali ya kujja shimbo wadusi
mpulira
omukazi akubwa na akutta utigatika wachi
mpulira
bali kubirayo nowo n'okuswala amanyi tolina nga wese bakubintu bali kubirayo kati Bobi Wine amanyi tolina Bobi Wine nga wese bakubintu bali kubirayo nowo n'okuswala kakati ekizibu kye tulina you will see riot. You are going to see riot. Why? Mbagamba bulijjo nti abo basiru encourage Bobi Wine to come to court. Encourage Bobi Wine abere n'ekibiina kye because abalunzi benti nyinzo kama entenga yafudde enyana nkwatidde balyayo ninjiraganyina wayo ninjikama fitukamira ku gundi kati abantu balekere w'ekibiina kya Nuupu n'ekibiina kya Dubu bwe kyatuse mu local government bakayanja bakiwambi abo bonna abayimbi bonna baani bonna ne babaleeta kati Bobi Wine kyabakoledde kamukuname njogera ndabinambozi ayingira government bamube ina Al-Qaeda kati mobu yagenda okuvuga Nuupu okwate kino kigundi kino bye bibba sente nebibbe wa Museveni nebibba newani nebisitulyako fete batuwa kwata gundi ekyo simanyi kigundi kyempuuga kiyingiremu kwata ono gundi segona agende wa Museveni bamubetente omutwe kwata kano akolinyendio kagende wa Museveni ina Bobi Wine kati alisewa Al-Qaeda. This is Al-Qaeda. Mobu. Nambozi bwazunga bwatu kazunga bukadeno namuli indiamu ngamanyaga abanchimu wabewo wa Nuupu asali diro bamulabe ko mu government ya Museveni bantu bajja mu betenda
kituufu
kubanga ono kati atulekedde Mobu
alekedde busungu
yes
alesewo busungu
kubanga Bobi Wine naye mugezi do you think Bobi Wine abantu yabakolaki
atebereza dino tagenda kufuna bwenkanya
Bobi Wine yayishiza mu muntu n'omu yadde kwero si wano tewali muganda wa Bobi Wine yayishemu Sebagala yayishamu baganda behaja alagidde baganda bere bayitamu because Sebagala was being used but at the same time inexperience Bobi Wine talina n'omu gwayishizamu mu family ye n'oyo gundi nze Bobi Wine namukubira esimu ne mugamba lwaki mukulu wawasiza Bobi Wine angamba tusizewo tuwase why nti bwe tutawase batuganya okuba enkuŋŋaana ne mugamba nibo munaakola embaga nga campaign bajja zisirisa I told Bobi Wine muga tu osooka ne mugandawo n'abalaba bagenda kuwasa naye Nyanzi yawasa bana ekitegeera Nyanzi asinza Bobi Wine amaanyi mu family Bobi Wine yakulya wa mugandawo kakati Nyanzi oyo asinga Bobi Wine ki kakati Nyanzi yawasa omukazi empeta omukazi yakeesimba eyo ekibuga emirundi egi era yagudde mwenyina wa Bobi Wine ekibuga yagudde Nyanzi yagudde why these people tebawa Bobi Wine they don't want any role for Bobi Wine his role was to bring MPs. Nabagamba ndi mubuuze Kadaga. Nayogera ne Bobi Wine, nayogera ne Kadaga. Nga Kadaga ayagala kuva Bobi Wine. Bobi Wine namugamba nti nze amuli president a formidable force. Namuganza yakolemo goba wepangire kunze. Me am a honest man. Nali sagala Bobi Wine bamugobe mu parliament. No. Abayaye bajja tutta. Kakati today we are going to have a headless revolution. Why?
You wayogerako mu Kadaga.
Yes. Omukazi bwagana okuzaala mu makuba amatuufu, you get Sicilian. These people, what they don't know, instead, the courts, if Bobi Wine decides to come to court, bali muwuliriza, bali ongeddemu ne time ne bamuwaaki.
Ne bamuwa nakyo.
Obujulizi n'abuleeta.
Mpulira.
Yes.
Bagenda bigana.
Naye luuku, ye Bobi Wine yajja lwa mukaaga, ne bagaana. NRM nejja ku lw'omukaaga ne bagikkiriza. What type of judiciary is this? Ani agizanyiramu? Don't you remember? Nti omusajja ono yazirwa kumeka? Bobi Wine yazirwa mukaaga ne mumugaana. Mwene mule NRM nejja ku lw'omukaaga. Kati omanye ekikolebwa ekyo. Aba NRM abaleeta obujulizi bwako lw'omukaaga bakolera Bobi Wine. Tebagala Museveni. I'm telling you.
Ate batya.
Bobi Wine nze nina. Miso teyina kyetayina. Nakugamba ti Mayinja bwe yajja bamugamba gweddayo mukete Bobi Wine weefuule gwe tugobye. Bobi Wine ku message ne kujjako bweti nga bamugamba we have sent Mayinja to spy on you. Don't accept him. Mubuuze Bobi Wine. Buuza Bobi Wine oba esimu teyajja. Bobi Wine receives credible information from on a daily basis.
From inside.
Bobi Wine knows who visits his state house on a daily basis. I've rang one of my allies in the security. Nemugamba nti abagenyi abajja ku lunaku luno mwalimu omukazi afaanana bw'ati yakubira Bobi Wine esimu. I'm telling you.
Kadi nga lwaki oyogera ebyabali.
Yes, anti miso. Miso yange babuulira.
Mpulira.
Ti mwalimu omukazi. This woman visits state house on such a date. Look for her. Enamba zemuzifuna. Nembabuuza kakati bagamba boole lwakojo Museveni bwe yamugoba yali awagira ali. Museveni yagoba lwakojo nga lwakojo alijesalinze ekibiina kya Nuupu ng'ekibiina bakijje mu NRM bakiwadde ki
kyali kye NRM
era gundi yakyakyagala luli omulamuzi yatya omulamuzi ekyamutiisa luli nti he could not nullify aba Nuupu bamusalira amagezi ne bakola nomination zaabwe. And this is why many people did not go to Nuupu. They feared because Nuupu was in balance. If the judge decided that Nuupu, whatever Nuupu did was null and void, it would mean that those who have got Nuupu ticket would not stand. Omulamuzi yali tasobola.
Engeri gy'oyogeramu muzeeyi mpuliranga agamba nti Museveni talina kuvuganyizibwa. Tewaliwo structure esobola kukola.
Museveni is infiltrated. Museveni yali infiltrated. Museveni is infiltrated. I'm telling you. Because Bobi Wine was brought by the palace. Abaleeta Bobi Wine bali mu lubiri lwa Museveni. Baali baagala ekibiina Museveni kyatafuga. Nga naye mu ekiri mu palamenti nga baagala omuntu atasobola kusuula Museveni. Museveni asigalewo nga bamuliira mu ddiba kyobola baffe baatugoba. Where do you find a government that can undermine a man like me who defends you at a low cost? Mwali mumpadde omukono nkuba ng'okuba ndi gwe mulenzi gwe nalaba gwe ono mulenzi gwe nalaba nga mwava ine engatto yalumu kana katabona kakajija akajja kawunya olugumu kana kakanagisi akajja kambadde stocks and relief. I have been teri muntu yenna atamanyi nti nkolera Museveni taliyo. Museveni ampadde ki? Tell me what Museveni has done.
Anaffe twebuuza omukolera buli lunaku talina kyakuwadde, but you work for the guy every day.
Yapunda ni mateke nojja kopera kola muzange eziwagira Museveni ukazijjako mukokomyo benkutte gwe komenjeko dijjakemu bakwe oyo omuko yalagira gundi agende Mutabazi nanditaho mbukajjako program za ne bagenda mugundi mu YouTube bo bajjako program za no ajja ninyo benyondo omwasa omutwe ninyo muto oyo omwana eddogo limukozeeko eddogo limukozeeko that man has been humbled by eddogo ejjogo lyonna lyalina mu mutwe mukubye ne muteeka ku ttaka ate agenda kunkola ki let him kill me and see okuddamu okupulaninga to kill me bajja mukube ebiwomwenda anaddamu okumpulaningira ajja kutambulira mu kagali kabalimu agamaanyi nga yina kakati nkugamba Museveni is problem is fighting
is infiltrated
abajoga bonna abantu bonna bava mu lubiri in fact neewunyisa kati akasajja nakawulidde nga googera nkakutereka abantu beewunyi gagambye lwaki tamale emirundi kyagamba Museveni mu gavumenti yegenda kugwa why me lwaki mwaba musikala buli lunaku temumugamba
alabika takyagambibwa alabika bw'omugamba tawulira
this is an internal rebellion
alabika takyabiraba nga ne bw'obimugamba tawulira
oyo owinye eddolo he was not processed to become a judge yefu owinye eddolo tulina bafaaza abava mu seminary mu seminary ento n'enkulu yefu owinye eddolo was processed owinye eddolo yaligambye owinye eddolo took it as an attack on himself yaligambye nti no okay you have raised this issue against me ne batuula ne babuuza nti abalamuzi bonna ono justice gundi tumwesije yali ayigiki amako yavaawa all of these judges because they are Ugandans baalitudde ne bagamba nti ennaku ezi tugenda mwanukula he has raised an issue.
Let's look at it.
Let us go. Ono winye eddolo yazze mu kulwana.
Arrogance.
You cannot intimidate us. Winye eddolo gwe. Winye eddolo amanyi nti oyo omusajja Luutu Mukasa yaziba amaaso. Abalamuzi baasalako nti yena ali mu gavumenti eriiwo n'akuŋŋanya abantu baakola. Abalamuzi baakola. Bobi Wine nga yakuŋŋanyiza abantu owinye eddolo asula mu Uganda. Humble yourself. If you don't want to be humble, don't serve the public.
Of course.
You are provoked. If I'm provoked.
Yeah, chitutte personal. Nti ataka on his profession. Nazimba.
Musango gwa Gonde. Ogwa Bagonde kiri mutu. Baganda ministers were arrested on allegations that they wanted to overthrow the government of Uganda. The key witness was acquaintances were Tinyafunza and Kasiri Gwanga. Kasiri Gwanga was approached by a man called Nyanzi, who was a minister in the Museveni's government. Nyanzi had invested heavily in the Democratic Party. Yali secretary to the Treasury. Omusajja mukaganya. Nga yine duka bali kyambogo nga ali Nyanzi. Imwandika wa DP. Nyanzi nze namuyamba okufuna billion ayina ne kitabani kye ekitayina magezi. Nze nabayamba family yaabo. Museveni bawa sente zibali bambanja. Nga Nyanzi yavuwadde. Nyanzi yavuwala nga nakabeera akagula empuuta agenda nako. Nemba yamba Museveni nabawa sente. Ekyo kivubuka tikina magezi ne bakiteeka mu Yesu. Mbwa kirisimanye mpiji. That's not even recognize me. Kakati nkugamba. Ndikayondo yategeera. Tikasirye Gwanga. Let me provoke Kasirye Gwanga. Yamubuuza, what is your name? Ndi Kasirye Gwanga. Gwanga means what? Revenge. Why did you call yourself Kasirye Gwanga? Kasirye nayogera. People killed my brother Kasirye. Kasirye's brother was a pilot, trainer. Yali muvuzi wa nnyonyi. Nagamba sinza kutraininga baana bagenda kuba muganda wange nga ali mu nsiko. Kasirye yambalanga ebyambalo bya Air Force. Najja we twali tukubira olupapula lwa munno. Baala bagitanga busi end era we bamujja. Nga tagenda nakasongola kutraininga anywa bunyumwenge. Kakati Kasirye Gwanga nagamba omulamuzi. Those who killed my brother were 3. I have so far killed 2. I'm looking for 1. Kayondo nagamba omulamuzi. Mr. My lord, send us this man for murder on reason police. Has admitted, has confessed before court that he's a killer. Has killed 2 people in the revenge of his brother. Kakati Kayondo, najja ajanga atambula. Nagamba, do you smoke banga? abuuza Kasirye do you smoke banga onywa enjaga Kasirye situutu ndowooza baali bamubuulidde n'ayimirira bw'ati omanyi nti Kayondo yajja looya n'awunya Kasirye mu kooti ayagala Kasirye amukuba eki
provoking
amukuba oluyi ndowooza tewaliwo likodisi Kasirye stood as he was humble. I have never seen a humble Kasirye Gwanga nga bwe yali mu kooti kati bw'amala omuwunyako bw'ati ayagala kutta bujulizi nti munyiwanjaga mutemu munyiwanjaga Kasirye Gwanga Kayondo n'agamba omulamuzi my lord the man smokes banga oludda lwa gavumenti terwagamba tinange kamale okuwunya ku Kasirye omulamuzi yagamba nti jangu okole ki kubanga Kayondo gundi osubolobooko Kasirye akole ki tiyefunza yajja n'ayimira mu kooti tiyefunza yagamba amweroya have a master degree in law mu kooti I know with the evidence you have given to court you release them you will acquit them but me I'm happy that Nyefunza yayogera I'm a happy man such a people would not find their way in court during a minute's time for us we have brought them here not Tinyefunza mu kooti era Kayondo yaleeta obumotoka bubiri obwa ddole ng'akamu akakubye kaati n'agamba omulamu ti omusango guli kufa do you know nti baba recording sinkola ya miso babatega kateepu kakati bakasirye eggwanga Kayondo yali musajja mugagga nnyo n'agula abaserikale ba poliisi kateepu kaali keeru baleeta kaddugavu babuuza Kasirye babuuza omusajja yakatega kakalaki naga nti kaki era olw'okuba baali batege abakiri muttu bwe baatuuka mu kooti they decide to keep mum tebayogera why a smart lawyer would tell the judge nti wadde at that time buno butambi bubakola na bukiika nakavuuka nali nja kukabe kintu omutwe nikasirimba nje sirimba yenjamunoonya paka kakuba amasimu mirundi mubbi mirundi mutiko ino omutwe bagukola mataka abizi tendi kweta kusirimba nyina aligira I don't want somebody to malign beka ko baba kajama kateka msibizo na bakaita ne mugumu wendi ko kwatira kusimanyi dokita ti kakasi matuka mirundi yena niyo wendi kanywereza nyina wakali kwa bali kazike gindi andika kava chaza abe chaza kendi kukwata kalinzi gwe nenkufuniza bulungi bwoti oli oyogera we made our name suggested wendi ko kwata kalinzi simanyi dokita ti nenkayola wen akawamu senta alitegera I don't want people to malign my fault my way the top kakati nkugamba provocation Bobi Wine provoked Owinyeddolo because Owinyeddolo is not the type of judges who can tolerate provocation. What else do you want from the judge?
Bam provoking.
Yes.
Nakagwa.
Don't intimidate us. No. You are servants of people.
Of course.
You to keep mum.
I see.
This man, Owinyeddolo, if he was a judge that has a process to be a judge, would tolerate. Yes, yet a little lawyer, Owinyeddolo negotiated with rebels at that time who want to overthrow the government. If is it different from Bobi Wine's lawyer? And Bobi Wine's lawyer is okay. Why? You are representing a former candidate who has followed the requirements of standing as a president. At that Owinyeddolo represented the rebels who wanted to overthrow a legitimate government. I would expect Owinyeddolo to be a tolerant man.
To behave like
there are times when you provoke
he was a lawyer before he became a judge.
Yes. If you want to provoke me, you never see my hammer. May I react to those who are stupid? Have you ever Museveni yabagamba? Ayina acid, ayina ennyondo, ayina emmundu. I don't bother with him. I will not disarm him. Akozese ayiwireko omuntu omu acid tulabe. They failed. But if somebody provokes you, Bobby Wine has provoked the judiciary and the judiciary has lost. Bobby Wine, why do people go to court? People go to court for political issues. People go to court for precedent, judges, in their rulings, like Bundi Yatuyamba. Nti, baleta amateeka 10. Ne baleeta, n'etteeka erigamba nti omuntu yenna omukozi w'akakiiko k'ebyokulonda anaatabulanga akalulu myaka 14. When it comes to fine batunda bibi. Elections have been free and fair. Kakati Bobby Wine, kitubadde tumwagalamu. Tubadde tumwagalamu kooti okuluulinga. Who controls the security during elections? Baamukubira ku ki? Kakati Bobby Wine, bano abasajja baamuleeta. Bayina sikando gye babadde bagenda omugirayo. Kyekimuddusiza. I'm telling you.
Babako ke bakutege kubanakukwatira.
Era tuwonye nnyo. Nawandika mu katabo kano. Why?
Ate tuwonye ekimuzeeyi abagenda mu gundi mu headless revolution.
You don't have a Museveni to go to the bush. Even going to the bush is unattainable. What we are going to have is a rebellion. An internal rebellion. An internal rebellion can be why in government emaze okugwamu. Abazungu bagisibidde sente. Ekubi bannamawulire yeetonze kati eyo tekyayina bajoogerera. Abazungu bakugambye buli ayina ekintu kyebweru bakikutte. Sente zaabwe bazikutte. Abaana baabwe abali ebweru babakomyawo. Kati ojja kusuubirayo. That's why few people can stand up to defend this government. Omulenzi oyo alowooza atya oyo omulenzi omujozi mukoddomi wa Museveni nti nze gwogoba musa n'oteekawo mukwano gwo tuyinza okuddamu ne tukolagana mulenzi kwera olowooza tuyinza nga tukolagana tutya sooka ogobewo gwaleeta sooka omugobewo ne 5 billion ozikomyewo kakati tubuuza ani ayogera bw'omala okukomba munnakati otwala oterekera baekimwakyo kati eno gavumenti erina bajoogerera ababaka bonna bali ebweru bagenda ku defectinga. When I see Honorable Kutesa shouting at European Union, I laugh at him. He knows. Kutesa knows that we have embarked on a journey of self-destruction. We would be engaging. That's why I say, the European Union, but nadini bali tuyambye to engage European Union.
Naye nga Mukama we yetumwogirako yazze n'abagamba tebabyeyingizaamu tebabikola ki.
Amini yagamba nga n'olunaku lw'endifa ndumanyi. Oba tenaga I came here with the 1 air ticket. We shall die here. We shall die here. Did he die here?
Yafiira walala. Amini bamuziika
I don't trust what the president says for domestic wound. But me I calculate. The budget ya Uganda bw'ogitunuulira erina sente mbeka. Can we finance our budget except if ababbi nga bakomezaawo sente ne baseka mu economy?
Ekitasoboka.
Tujja zibajjako. I'm going to work with them.
Ate tutya.
I have struck a deal with these people to bring the money into the economy. Ngenda bakolera. I'm going to work with the mafias. Si bano abatta abantu balina kutemba. Kakati gwe kankubuli. How will this government defend the situation? Nti abali ebweru mulimu abantu ba Museveni, close relatives, be batutte. Goba China Bolo Authority. Bwe banakola nga Gaddafi. N'oyo muleeti. N'oyo muleeti. Where will you end? No, where will you end? Bwe kibanga n'ono muleeti. N'ono muleeti. Abasajja bali bagezi. Kati mu listi mulimu erinnya nzirye mmanyi. Bano tebalimanyi. Bagamba ono tetumumanyi bali bamumanyi. Bajja kutuuka ekiseera babagambe nti y'ono. What will you do? Kyova olaba nga mmaliriza. Ngenda basomera mu butabo bwange bubiri. Nabagamba nti amusinga alarming nabandikira akatabo kano. Ne mbaga nti busigattoni bwa kinaana bukola ki?
Buzina.
These elections have symptoms similar to 1980. The only two people, the people are lacking. Museveni this time, he cannot go to the bush. Bobby Wine cannot go to the bush. Why? Museveni was on his own initiative. Museveni fought Amin on day one, which Bobby Wine did not do. When Bobby Wine compares himself to Museveni, he is wrong. This Bobby Wine is under the total control of the CIA, of the Americans. Made emmeri ejja omanye abantu bagamba tolaba n'oluva olukwatiridde luno lwa mmeri tonakiwulirako
biwulidde
olaba embeera eno bwekyuse olaba oluva oluzze olwo lwa mmeri
eziri e Kampala.
Alarming similarities between 1980 and 2021. The 1980 elections were preceded by a wave of insecurity that was intended to intimidate the opposition. Many opposition candidates were arrested. Prominent among them was Sam Kariga Njuba before he fled to the bush. Njuba was picked from a rally at the Constitution Square and arrested for days. Upon his release, he joined the UPM and later fled to the bush together with his wife, Margaret Njuba. The killer squad introduced a bus which later came to be known as Bawa Talikaba, meaning everyone will grieve. Medical doctors at Mulago Hospital were targeted. Obate's cousin, who at that time had joined the Democratic Party, many opposition Bamitangani, Bamitanga Gund, at the condition. Narishira Mangakumu to police Kungana Kogera. The condition police Mugano Kogera Muchinana. They joined the UPC to save their lives. About Basarova in the UPC. It was this political situation which forced DP to ignore calls of extending the 1980 general election. DP teyawapa mu government. DP yagana kuongezayo kulonda. Kajiyamba was sent to Nairobi to negotiate with the Semogiri. We sat, I was representing the youth wing. Tuatula ntugantika uyatuzanya walule lulali ne Museveni. Extending the elections meant extending the suffering of the people, leaders and supporters alike. The killings and the detentions were intended to demonstrate the power and the influence of UPC. Although the UPC blamed this on former military soldiers, the truth was that the perpetrators were elements in the UN army. For example, the bus operated every day around the same time between 8 and 10 p.m. The bus driver was well known and had a permanent dumping place for the dead at Nabunya, near Andeva. If it was the work of usual criminals, security forces would ambush the bus at Nabunya and arrest the killers. This indicates that it was the work of security forces.
Katwina zidroni. Ennaku zino.
Anti nkugamba.
Tifana na basi eyo gyonyumya.
Wandika ngamba. Tinga ebyakinana biringiza. Ngabuno buzira.
1980 cops to dance.
Ngabuzina.
Naye bintu bino wabirabadde kuba akatabukidda.
Mirundi temuzanyisa.
Akatabukidda.
Nze mbagamba. Omuntu bamuyita muntu bulamu. Nze ndi muntu mufu. Hafu namu hafu yamu. Nange byenkola sibitegeera. Kati nkugamba. Ndi
akataboka wandika ddako nga ne drone tezinazira bana
when Dr. Lutakome Kayira addressed a rally along Entebbe Road urging people to vote for DP so that it tries to vote for crimes of the regime, including abolition of Buganda Kingdom. Security forces hunted him down until he fled to Kenya. It was at this time that Museveni, who was the vice chairman of the military commission, was arrested at Kawempe. It was alleged that the car in which Museveni and his wife were traveling was followed by another car owned by a senior UPDF, a senior UNLF officer who ordered Museveni's arrest. At that time, Museveni was threatening to go to the bush if elections were rigged. It was not clear how news of his detention reached his foreign colleagues who rescued him. Lieutenant Kanu Muhindo, a known ally of Yoweri Museveni, was killed in the Makerere University. It seems that although Obote downplayed Museveni's bush was threats, David Yoito Joko and Paulo Mwang took Museveni seriously. Museveni said in his book, Master DC, that he was not interested in the elections, but he was pushed into it by people, including Ibn Anderson. Museveni said that he wanted the UPC to mismanage the elections and seize the opportunity to fight the opposition government. He also says, had he surrendered his 70,000 soldiers for the training at Kabamba, as required by government, had been removed from the Defense Ministry, Ministry of Regional Cooperation, where had no work. Obote responded that there was no way Museveni would return to fight the government when he had never been there. Obote yagandi Museveni was a scout. Era bw'osoma mu kitabo in Uganda. Naye kale weewunyisa. Otafiire oyo mulaba buli obwala kubevankira. Otafiire yagamba Museveni. Oba tugenda kuddamu tulwane. Lwaki emundu tuziwaayo? Tuzikweke. Museveni namugamba nti nedda. Bwe banakwata emundu zino bajja kati batetegeka kulwana. Tuzibawe. I can get candidates at any time. Oyo omukono namuwulira mukuba obutambi nga kuba otafiire akubaanye mama ani atalina maama we also have mothers in law. However, there was no way a non-fighter bano bagandi Museveni talwanangako nga bwemubadde muvuma bubweni nti muyaye follow figure kusaasira ngani mwe muli bakimmwe. What the Bobby Wine? Can you compare these people to Bobby Wine? Lwaki tebalonda mubo bamaze okubona n'ekintu kyabwe bagereze wa Museveni abadde sente bloggers. How many followers do you have compared to me? Ngonanga ntula ne kusasira nga ntula ne full figure nga ntula nabo nga ntula nabo mpita mu meeting tutinganiremu. Then why did I go to school? I'm a strategist. How
do you sit with a full figure?
Yes, how can I sit with people like a full figure? Why did I go to school? I did.
Full figure, you have very much ghetto. Gataina na following.
So much situation evaluation. Ekintu nchibala. Mwantolina ko. Oyo mwana mbwanjoge. Oyo mwana taina wanjoge. Lwabo okutali njogako. N'omulambo gwange tali kujoga. Taina wajja kunjogera nzitalabe. Ate kati nageze wafu. Agezako yo n'okuwuliriza njamu bebi gwe mwenda ajja kutambulira mu kagaali k'abalema. Baddemu baneerigemu. Baddemu baneepankireko. Nkugamba. However, there was no way a non-fighter could be entrusted with the defense ministry immediately after the war. Obote was very insecure and he had no direct control over government. And the army, because the two were under Paulo Muwanga and Oito Job, respectively. The statements Obote made at that time showed the mind of a man always on the defensive. He lacked confidence in his abilities. Therefore, when he said that if Museveni dare go to the bush, UPC will follow him and leave him there. Obote was avoiding the question of credibility of the elections. His actions and those of his people showed he wanted to retain power by all means. Kati bimuwulira oba agenda alwane tujja mukolako Obote yabyogera. We don't need fighting. Omwana akibakubiddewo. Katuyina ekizibu. We are going to face a headless revolution. Why? Bubene omusanga guvudde mu which means ayina abamulagira. Ateze owinyi n'alowooza
n'agwa mu katebe.
If this man wants more, ngayagala obudde obulala mumuwe. Give him. He came on Saturday. Your people came on Saturday. NLM government came on Saturday. Do you dispute this fact? How come that the NLM people, after you rejecting this man's evidence on Saturday, they also came on Saturday? Is it geometry for judges to know?
Is it rocket science? Sincerely. Naye abalamuzi bano babalonda batya? Babalonda batya? Babalonda batya babakubira? Oba nabo bali party. Yakuba kintu.
N'okuba omusajja muzikiti tafunye wuzu. Alina mu ngatto. Ne wajja omulala nga tafunye wuzu n'ayingira. What type of judiciary is this? Ate nga Bobby Wine from day one yajja kubatega Bobi Wine abadde alina okuzannya firimu afune wagiviiramu master afe kati wabeewo omulala akikola ki
firimu star avuddemu
kakati abalekedde mobu yes
abalekedde kooti y'abantu
kakati ne bwe beekalakaasa ojja kulaba oyo omulamuzi bw'adduka oyo omulamuzi ajja kudduka nkugamba dangerous signals before the 1980 elections. The Electoral Commission of 1980 was appointed by Paulo Muanga without even consulting stakeholders. Uganda was divided into 124 constituencies. However, the constituencies were not based on population, living in those areas as per the norm. UPC took advantage of gerrymandering and created various constituencies in areas they were sure they had support, such as Apache North, Apache South, Apache West, Apache Northeast. The whole of Busoga region had 11 MPs. Mpigi district in Buganda, which included Mpigi Butambala and Wakiso, had only 4 MPs. Kampala City had only 4 MPs. Interestingly, as elections approached, Cabinet continued increasing the number of constituencies, obviously for support. 1980 gerrymandering, nankabirwa, ate basiru. Aba nankabirwa, they're stupid. Why do I abuse them? Why okimanyi nti Western Uganda eyina constituencies ziwere ekikumi nga mu ensanvu. If they want to impeach a president, bamu impeach.
Kituufu.
You look around nti balina small differences. Naye if the Western Uganda wants to impeach a president, bamu impeaching. Why? Bobuli katundu konna bakatemyemu bano bannakabirwa nagamba nga Kasole waffe tutememu mutememu constituency tyati bogitemamu ate nze ndage kati bamukubye bamukubiddeyo. Yes. Mulimu abantu nga bakiikirira egombolola bbiri. Mulimu abantu mu Western Uganda abawano balemerawo nankabirwa bagala kinene yayagala kinene mbumwagula abantu ate bajja kumpangula. If I want to be an MP for Chotera, Mbakuba bano bonna, I just defeat them. I calculate. Irena bakuba ne babba. Nakatinga nayagadde Mbakuba ne babba. Mbakuba ne mbakunemia. If I want to go for elections 2025, I know what I'm going to do. Nyito kubera mu kibine ne mbabatulera. Kakati bakola gerrymandering nankabirwa bakola gerrymandering bajja kubeera prime minister ajja kubeera kakati yo kukumya buwe ayina ne sama bamuvunana sama ngugamba the current electoral commission is facing credibility challenges mainly from the conduct of his chairman Justice Simon Byabakama. First and foremost, he is new in the job. The law requires that the commission should retire after organizing 2 elections. I think this was intended to inject new blood in the commission, but it is a wastage of experience. It would have been better for commissioners to retire after reaching the retirement age for civil service. This would ensure experience and continuity because each election comes with its challenges and therefore requires experienced hands. In addition to being a novice in election management, Justice Byabakama has a bad record. He was involved in a futile attempt. Byabakama, at this time, 7 was the vice. Byabakama, Tumalaini Dr. Kizza Besigye in a rap which flowed. Byabakama yali DPP. Now why is a Besigye in the Aquato Mukaza after 2 years? Whatever Besigye amogera. Besigye bali bamaze omugamba nti gwe weesimba tulese Bobi Wine. Whatever bamuwakanya opposition, this man was DPP. If you people, Bobi Wine agreed, a chairman of the Electoral Commission, who maligned Dr. Besigye, a strong pillar of the opposition, you would have raised the issues. Nabagamba this man Byabakama was a DPP. Nagamba Besigye, Tiakwato Mukaza after 2 years. Can you prove a case of rape after 2 years? Nanena kwa biliana abakola chinemba gamba. Besigye bwaba ine machine nga yamanyi nnyo ng'eteekawo n'enkovu za myaka 2 mukazi we Witness nga atambula. Why didn't Bobi Wine raise all opposition say
badde bamutwala speed buli kaseera bamusiba bamukola ki obudde bamuwa butono waliwo covid
Byabakama's name came to parliament. Did anybody raise the issue that Byabakama is the man as the DPP who accused Besigye of raping of a woman?
Ebintu ebira mu parliament byo twabyesonyiwe ebira mu parliament eyo
kubuulira nti Bobi Wine Besigye baatula naye ne bamugamba teweesimbawo bamafia Bobi Wine be baamuleeta. This is why Bobi Wine teyajja kuwangula bwa president. Kati Bobi Wine ekinigeria kyakimaze naye kyatukoledde ti Buganda lesaagiwaddeyo atulekedde mobu
mpulira
era babaana bagamba kale katweyiwe mu kibuga tufe ate omuganda atasoma tatya sasi ekyo njagala nkibabula nibo munasomba tanka ze musombye n'emmamba bezikuba abantu Abamerika bajja zikuba you'll be trapped like Gaddafi is mamba temuzijjayo mukubeti ya gas. The moment you bring a mamba to kill people civilians a meri ijja zikuba. I'm telling you
kituvu
nkugamba nti no lawyer or DPP could charge Besigye or any other person with rape basing on evidence collected 2 years earlier. Rape and defilement cases depend on fresh evidence. The important ingredients in such cases are penetration, bruises, in case there is a struggle, or semen. These cannot be established after 2 years, as Byabakama tried to do. And that's why rape victims are advised not to bathe. The case, therefore, was a holding charge intended to embarrass Dr. Besigye and deny him ample time to campaign. Era ffe twayima Besigye tayina bakyala awamba bawambe Besigye tayina bakyala akwata bakwate kati instead of campaigning Besigye was kept at the courts of law. They also wanted to humiliate him, to provoke him into battle. Why didn't the opposition object or oppose the appointment of Byabakama? Why didn't Bobi Wine come up and oppose Byabakama's appointment as the chairman of the Electoral Commission? He was being handled by the mafia gang who brought him purposely not to rule Uganda but to converse support for them, which has done. Bamukubye kakati nkugamba. Secondly, the blunder the commission has committed is to try to negotiate with the political party, which is not its role. Its role is to organize the elections and announce the results. The only time to interact with the political party is at the time of nomination. It should be the government interacting with other party forum to harmonize political party demands, not the Electoral Commission. Solving wrangles within the political parties is not the role of the Commission. The Commission's other role is to mobilize voters to participate in the election. Actually, the Commission takes charge of candidates, not just aspirants who have not been nominated. It's like a headmaster caring about a student who has not enrolled into his school. But once the child becomes a student, he is given a copy of guidelines and the headmaster takes charge. The opposition is a citizen. With all of the background I have provided, I now wish to address myself to the current situation, where the opposition is threatening to boycott 2021 elections if it is not extended. The possibility of an extension is possible, and they know it very well. Secondly, no any politician can demand for everybody ground, for the ground can never be leveled. The reason why they fear an election today is that they have reached a conclusion that Museveni cannot be defeated. This also means that whether the election is extended or not, it is not what the opposition are looking for. If they were surely interested in an election, they would have directed their effort to the real issue, like harmonizing the Health Act under which government is fighting COVID-19. President Museveni resorted to the Health Act because going through Parliament seemed problematic. MPs demand for money whenever an amendment comes to Parliament, and this won't be an exception. Museveni also knew that once it goes to Parliament, then Parliament would be in charge of the whole process. Therefore, the real issue now is to harmonize the Health Act and the election laws. Fortunately, Parliament is not in recess. What needs to change? We all need to agree on the following. We should agree that the opposition is not interested in elections because they already know the outcome. Number two, Museveni's anti-corruption crusades have also adversely affected Dr. Besie's campaign funds. And Americans too, who would have financed his campaign, are now committed to fighting COVID, and therefore he will not appear on the ballot. Nabaga Besie itagenda kuiti. Ba financiers be bonna tebayina sente. European Union pulled out. Nekitegeeza ti Bobi Wine ekyamuyambe biri ebi. Ba mafia bwe bamukwata bamu omusajja kuba mwita Amsterdam. Amsterdam ngalukurutinga ofisa wa CIA namutwala mu CIA. Mulwana na America. Ba mafia yabavaamu kati abadduseeko kamukirabe. Ejoge jiba joge ati tewali bijja tewali agenda kwogera lwaki. Abazungu abaana babwe bali listed. Abaana b'abantu bonna abanene mu government ne sente zaabwe zirina ebweru na biki babakomya wonna babikwata. Kati ogenda kulya bannalweso batenda property bweru bofono bofatijo sikugenyondo nengo sikubamulenze ko nenkwasa omuntu twenda kunja ogaggo nawe twine ogenda kudduke ate munaddukirawo mugendeko ku muzimbe y'ekibuga babiri babakubi ebyo byagwa kyoli gye bagenda kulaga Kenya yasayininze baddukire baba wabuwe Tanzania yakolaganye n'Abamerika adduka obuvuka obubyenseeno n'oyo mukaba datu joga talina wagenda kuddukira balina kutembanya
si kye kigenda okuleeta olutalo wano
nkugamba
nti batyo okubatwala eri bajja kulwanira wano mpaka lwe bafa.
On the other hand, Tumukunde had also banked his hopes on the same sources of funding as Dr. Besigye. While Bobi Wine lacks the necessary nationwide network to stage a meaningful presidential challenge, however, Bobi Wine can pose a serious threat at the parliamentary and local government level in Uganda. FDC is faced with a serious split as the majority of his MPs threaten to close to Mugisha Muntu's party. Nobody Mao has successfully frustrated efforts of the likes of Segona Maidan to take over the leadership of DP, which would facilitate an alliance with Bobi Wine's people power. Finally, the NRM MPs who had expected to ride on Museveni's back are in the dilemma, as voters are angry with them for the flopped move to extend their term by 2 years. Therefore, Museveni's biggest challenge with scientific elections looming is the interest mafia gang. They can't accept scientific elections because it denies them an opportunity to steal the billions as they have been doing. Mukoya njoze chimala. Mukanda wangu njoze chimala. Njo jompite yo mbo simanyi kwando ninja bakubambate. Temayita kompita yo. Temumpa niyo oba abantu abo obujozi babujjawa. Nti man like me ojonchi meyo. Gwota wade mbwe simanyani sen oyo mulenzi yeja sente Museveni teyabawa sente. Ayina gye yajja sente nga mulagidde anjoge. Sente gye wazijja nali manyiyo nibo mukola mutya sente za musizikwata. Musimuka buli ne mukulu. Bwe mulizagenda kunjoga. Hanzita alabe. Ate okuddamu okutula okulisa ngenda bakubebi ko mwinda. Kyokola babatamu. Tamadi tako neregamu. Nkugamba. Therefore, Museveni's biggest challenge with scientific elections. With the scientific elections, it means no funds will be allocated to campaign task forces. The money will be sent directly to local levels, structures of NRM, such as LCs. I don't see the mafias who have been pocketing this money accepting this. What about security forces who have been getting billions to oversee elections? Can they accept to lose? This drives me to my submission. that we should not waste time on scientific elections since they will cause trouble. A weak opposition with no hopes of defeating an incumbent is very dangerous. The only result is violence and chaos. They can take advantage of a population which has been devastated by COVID-19 to ignite a revolution. The process itself is tempting. With no public rallies, the only option is campaigning on radio and television, whose owners may not allow rival candidates for various reasons. What about voting and closing before curfew time? Is it possible for voters, especially the youth, to leave before the results are declared? This will also spark of chaos. What will happen with the trigger happy local defense units operating in such an explosive situation? Losers shall see cases of losers claiming that ballot boxes were tampered with or their representatives are chased away from polling centers. This also is an area that can be exploited by the opposition. With this background, I suggest that rallies be allowed, but all people must allow COVID prevention guidelines of social distancing and sanitizing. Regulate transport to ensure no movement of supporters from one area to another. Finally, create more polling centers to compensate space for the social distance of 4 meters as per health guidelines against coronavirus. Offered on Friday, July 10, 2020, at my home in Kabalagala, completed at 2 p.m. Tozanyisa mutubi. Obulaba bwe buzi, I'm telling you. Bobby Wine is a pull out. It's not something to celebrate about.
Has the judiciary lost?
None of his relatives has entered the parliament. These people have gone back to court to declare, to grab leadership from him. This is the reason why Museveni went to the bush. If I compare Bobi Wine and Museveni, Bobi Wine in the same situation like Museveni was. His constituency was gerrymandered, couldn't come to parliament. Even the only man UPM got, Chiyonga, was denied a chance to sit in parliament. All of the MPs candidates were eliminated using famous excuses. Chinto Musoke did not find his name on the list. Changamach was disqualified because he failed an English species test. But Changamach was a professor in the university. Was he teaching in Ichiguchi? But Haji Musa Sebirumbi, who said, "What is your name?" Where South constituency? He qualified. Mayengo was it saying in Ruera? The argument was, you deny UPM every opportunity to claim that it has won. I think if Museveni was given an opportunity, look what you want to say. The Democratic Party had more votes than the UPC. One man, one vote. But the election law was confusing. We are not, what is not standard in the constituency. He's saying, I'm not like my brother Samuel who wants to be a Gombala chief as well as a Sasa chief. Yes, but where did you become president? A presidential election means either you were elected by parliament or you get the majority. We did not have direct presidential elections, neither did we have parliamentary. The Democratic Party won more votes, like in 1962. DP got more votes, one man, one vote, but MPs, that one was clear. Democratic Party did not sue. There was a long debate in the parliament, and Kutesa convinced them. What option do we have? Can we go to war? No. At that time, going to the bush was not conceivable. Are we going to plan Uganda into another civil war? Kutesa said no. Kutesa convinced these people, let us go to parliament and operate as opposition. At one time, it was suggested that Semogere was going to become speaker because in 1979, during the Moscow conference, Semogere had been elected the chairman of the Consultative Council. He rejected it. gundi n'akitwala Lulete yalivuddeko if Semogere had taken over that role kakati today what is happening this young man
ngabo byogedde
accept nabaga nti accept an albino kid for us Baganda if you don't accept an albino kid and your wife conceives you will produce another albino accept this albino accept the results as gentlemen whether you want ministers lost go back to the drawing board mabbe mputo nemubbe nyama nemulumba abakinjaji nemubba buli wamu nemubba sente z'enguudo nemubba omusenyi mu Luwera nemubba buli wamu
nemubba ebikajjo
nemubba buli wamu ne basuma they are like snakes they bite everywhere are you snakes which bites everywhere
ne bazimba ebizimbe ne bakola ki
ne bagoba abantu muntaka ne bakola ki ng'amawulire tegabawandiikako kakati
those are the results
Buganda for Abaganda we are involved in the private sector. I have spent 8 years without work. I don't want a government job. No. I have the moment I have my head. Never. I want compensation. I can survive. I'm financing my program. Dombo wamaze kulya sente n'eki ne badduka mbono ofuna opondo yaddemu aboogere oyo ofuna Katonda abombasasira b'ofuno balina emitima bajjagiremu toyinza kunjooga nti dombaze alidde sente adduse
kati ye yapulirawa akalukaggwa
yakwata sente n'ekiwanda ne badduka mbwe embwa zaabwe zongere ziboogere ngono mulenzi bw'alowooza
mukuume ekintu paka mukalulu akaddako
mulenzi gwe nalijja kubatula. Why do you think that you can use me? What type of human beings are these? What type of brains do you have? What type of value can say this? That a man whose programs used to switch off.
Now you are calling him to work for you.
Anteke nyuma nga bwafuwa bw'empuluma anteke mu nyuma ye mu patokisi kubanga ayagala kunjooga njeje tokisobola Abaganda bagamba je wabba akambe if you share a knife how can you expect the peeled bananas a man you have humiliated
omusubiramu otya okuyimirizaawo campaign
nogoba mutabazi notika wakabalako notitaka nakabala kanabakooba nti ajja kupologonza nemugenda mu YouTube mwaje nolinja kwaso mulinzi gwe nalijja kwaso omuntu nolinja kuba yosubiri gwe bayita kanonite benyondo mwaso omuntu obo bujoza tuba buba bufuluma mu batokisi
mpulira
oboye kana kunteeka mu nyuma yenu tuwika fera boya kana ngamfuluma bufuwa ngamfuluma no what gwe wasoma ki you have a master ni gwe wasoma ki walichi ngatonna wasa kwega abantu bano kakati Bobi Wine bumwagala mujjako ekibiina ki bumwagala kola mumuleke bali bamujireko ne this one goes to court nti ajeke Bobi Wine ekibiina ki none of his relatives
to parliament
yes to parliament agenza okutwala ekiwandiiko mukubya
abamawulire buli walaga mubakuba
sibaddamu wabo naye at least era mbadde namukono gwembulira ne mugamba nti Bobi Wine ekizibu kyalina yasoma n'omukuba security people basomera Kitende bombi maybe the quality of a girl investigate it. I told one of my allies in the government in the security one of the top people ne mugamba omunchemanyi tuyinza okubanga tusafalinga ebintu ebisinga obungi Bush yalumba Saddam Hussein why nalimba nti bayina yaga this man wanted to kill my father choka people go to war over nothing
and others suffer.
I mean yagamba singa Nyerere yali mukazi nali muwasiriza to marry a man. Are you saying that Nyerere is a homosexual? Nyerere did not take it lightly. What type of this man? That you want to marry our president? Are you homosexual? Ebintu gwe onjoge mulenzi gwe nalabanga oyambale nga tuyalumwa kano kajja kalina omuntu wagula n'akatale kano akali wana akebiti gwe ina bizimbe bijjudde gwe gasente wazijjawo oyo bajja mukwati bajja mukwatira kunya mwamba angadduka agende Kongo bajja mukwata bamuttire we bujuzi bwao hiyo pesa ulipata wapi wewe kijana pesa yote ulipata wapi olabe ekizimbe kiri ekiri kagalagala kije sente wasijja wako kalezi gwenga familia mwinjafu kakati abo batujoga ne batamanya nti emyaka 7 babonye na they cannot kill me, they cannot compromise with me. We have settled for a compensation. I will never work with this government again. I'm going home. Mbarageko kuba bwe tukiriziganya reconciliation mujja kidda munakalema mwali mugamba tajja kirango baka twako nkasi nakalema ajja kufa yeta kula wayiringa ali akutama inje ebuziba nakalema ali unyamukene ebuziba okuneregamu ako kamwendo ogenda kawulyanka kwogera shike kanku eyankuba yono kakati Bobi Wine mumuveeko if Museveni was not treated, humiliated, the possibility would be oyinza kanti ye munkaga
mumutusiza ku kisenge
if you don't humiliate Bobi Wine kumubako kibiina kye, this would not be the time of humiliating the people because whether we like
neba jozi olana obakaba just naturally
numwenda abakaba bayino bujozi bubali mu nyuma akuteka mu nyuma omuka akuteka mu nyuma yafuwa no ufuluma ogenda mutoyi no ufuluma tuvala bakunonya nejo obujozi bubali tidozi give this young man time. The judges have lost, the judiciary has lost. This is when he would give Bobi Wine every excuse. Why do you reject Bobi Wine's
amendment?
Why did Bobi Wine come on Saturday and the NRM comes on Saturday?
That you reject one, you accept another.
If Winyidolo had done political science, if I had been processed as a judge, we are rejected. Nti omusajja ono yatuleta lwa mukaaga omusiraamu twamugobera talina wuzo
ate tukkiriza owenga
what is this Saturday in common? What is this Saturday in common? Bobi Wine is gundi amendments were rejected. You accepted NRM on Saturday. Do you work on Saturday? When it comes to NRM, you work on Saturday. The judiciary has
and they had decided they work all days. They will be working on all days.
Has killed the society, the judiciary, and that's why they wanted.
Of course.
Yes. Atomanyi bache bagala. Bagala Winyidolo aveebo. Bayamba olanya afuke speaker. Mbono ye tebamubala. Omanya abakyoli. Bayina mu mukyoli w'eggulu n'omukyoli w'ekitugu. Tebabagala bombi. Kakati baba bagamba. If Olanya wants to become speaker, over the two which is important, Olanya afuke speaker, mukubani, Winyidolo, yet amanyi, nti ono omwana, amuzanyira ku bwongo, bategere, the judiciary ya Uganda teri mumpeke, Winyidolo will end up like a kavuma. The people who want, the argument is, the deputy governor is a northerner, the chief justice is a northerner. Why now? We can't
have a speaker
to be speaker. So these people are saying, over the two, the speaker and the chief justice, which one is important?
Of course, they choose the speaker.
Yes.
Now they are hitting hard. Yet tachitegera nti bamukuba
ono Winyidolo tamanyi nti Bobi Wine is on a high mission okumukulamu empaliraji mu jjembe amwambudde
bwetutyo bwe tutambudde olwaleero mu programu yaffe eno mwebale kutuwagira akaseera konna mbadde Kanga Capital okubaweereza mutabani wa Mmole n'amatovu mirundi abadde otukubira ttooki mweraba.